I think many of us that do surgical procedures, that are surgeons or periodontists, and do surgery for implants, in many cases we know that probably in over half of the cases that we place implants, we need some sort of bone regeneration along with it. And there are many, many techniques that people use to try to regenerate bone. So I'd like to talk about another way we can try to regenerate bone, one that is relatively new. We actually have this therapy in the United States, so it's available for us to use. And I'm very excited about this because it really represents the next step in tissue regeneration. When we talk about tissue engineering, we talk about a triad between a carrier and a growth factor protein and also cells. And with protein therapy or growth factor therapy, along with a carrier, we have 2/3 of the tissue engineering triad. And so I want to talk to you a little bit about how we can use this protein to stimulate bone regeneration, and it's a very effective way to generate bone. And I've had the pleasure to be working with this bone regeneration factor for about 20 years now. And it's been interesting because we began working on it in animals, and we took it to humans, and then eventually got it approved by the Food and Drug Administration so that we can use it in the oral cavity. So that's what we want to talk about a little bit this afternoon. Now, the material that we're talking about is sold as a package called infused bone graft. And it's a combination of the bone graft material itself, which is a protein. It's a recombinant human protein